Okay, this video I've just completed changing the TF03XL battery in this HP 15CC665CL. And this battery puts a lot of other laptops, and the replacement is probably about the same. You can kind of clearly see where the screws are on the cover for the back. And these are hidden underneath the little pads, these two right here. But then it still doesn't come off without you taking like a knife blade, which I don't recommend, or an eyeglasses flat screwdriver going along the back here and dislodging the clips. As you see here, it'll still be kind of clipped to the laptop. But once you've got it exposed, this particular laptop does not have the screw here in the corner, and it doesn't have these two screws. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws. And this battery was so swollen. See how swollen it is on the top here? And it's also swollen on the bottom, that the bottom being swollen was pushing it up so much that it broke that corner off. So make sure I got the little piece out of there. You don't want a little piece sitting in the laptop rattling around all these sensitive components. You certainly don't want a little piece getting into that fan and ruining that fan. And before I put it back together, I'll take a little toothbrush and clean up these fan blades. Once I got these screws loose, it was a matter of pushing this back like that. It had plenty of room to slide, and it just slid back off of the connectors and then lift it right out of there. See where the connector goes? And then I laid the new one down and slid it right up on there and put the screws back in there, the 5 screws back in. No problem. If you're interested, subscribe. I've got at least 2,000 more repair videos.